Hi, welcome again to With My Ex Again, Love Advice TV. I am so excited, so incredibly delighted to be able to offer you what I call a very important conversation that I've had with many of my clients. And what is that one? He has a new girlfriend. Oh my God. We lose it. We lose it when that happens. But guess what? As far as I look at it, and as far as you should look at it, is that most of the time it's a rebound. It's most of the time that they want a little bit of security. But at the end of the day, what I want you to do, and what I think that is very, very important, is to maintain your self-worth, to completely distance yourself from him at that point. Make him think that, yes, he has a new girlfriend. Good for him. But he doesn't have you, and you are the prize. And he knows you are the prize because he felt you as the prize. So I think it's very, very important to just completely distance yourself from him, do a no contact, make sure that he doesn't feel that he is 100% in your life. And with that said, he will start missing you because your absence will create more of a presence in his life than your actual presence. So I think that's very, very important. Keep your self-worth. Show yourself in the best highlight that you are. Showcase yourself. If it be through Facebook, if it be through any type of social media, let him know that you're alive and kicking. And he will miss that. He will want to be part of that alive and kicking with you. But you need to restrain yourself from reaching out. And with that said, I think it's so, so important because, they do go out. They have new girlfriends. They decide all of a sudden, oh my gosh, I can rebuild all this. But guess what? It's not that easy. It's not that easy because being in love is not so easy. And if he was in love with you, and if you are in love with him, it's not that easy to rebuild, just simply because he's with someone new. So, I welcome you to comment on any of my comments as far as that I have mentioned thus far. I want you to be part of the love community. I think that we offer so much to you and to all of the other viewers, and just reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to coach you. I'll be more than happy to let you see how it's easier than what we think to get them back. All right? Thank you.